Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create bar infographic slide in PowerPoint. You can see here I have created a curved line, and then when I click, the first graph will come, and then at the bottom it will show you a line with icon and text. Similarly, when I click 2, it will come 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you like to increase the bars, you can increase, but I have used 5. Similarly, I have just created something like this also with the same color, and one more with a cone shapes. So let's see how to create this beautiful infographic slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert, select Shapes. Under Shapes, select a rectangle. Draw a rectangle covering the half of the slide and remove the borders. Right mouse click and say Edit Points. Then you can see 4 points there. Select the top point and just pull it up, and select this point and pull it down. So you got a wave shape or a curved shape. Select the shape again, press Ctrl D to duplicate it and give the effect as, or the fill as, white. Bring it down, just leaving only that much part so that it will show you a curved line there. Reduce the size, bring it somewhat down. Now this is okay. Change the background color of the slide, go to Format Background and give a gradient fill, which is already the preset I am using. And curved also I am going to use some dark gray color. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle again, draw a rectangle, remove the outline and make the width as 1 inch. Ctrl D to duplicate it. Go to the format shape and increase the transparency level and make the width as 0.5 inches, exactly the half of the rectangle, and place it to the one side and give a shape fill as white, and you can increase the transparency level more, so it will give you some kind of a 3D effect here. And then you can give this rectangle a gradient fill. I'm using 2 points, and you can use any 2 colors, 3 colors. You can use some shades. So I'm just going to use some different colors here, but make sure to select the right color combination. And you can go to the format painter and paint the other side, and then you can rotate it, so it gives you this kind of a 3D effect there. Then I'm going to add a oval shape there. Insert a oval shape and make the height and width as 1 inches. Make it no outline and shape fill as white. Bring it the top. Press Ctrl D to duplicate again. Reduce the size and give the same color as of the rectangle and place it at the center of the white oval shape. And give some shadow effect. And then I'm going to add a text here, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 0, 1, and I've used the font called the Arial Nova. Make it bold and bring it at the center of the circle and change the font color to white. And select all these three objects and press Ctrl G or right mouse click, group and group it, and say send to back. So it has gone back to the curved shape. And then here the bottom I'm going to add a line. Select an arrow, line arrow, and instead of arrow I'm just going to use the endpoint as the oval shape there, the round. Make the same color as of the rectangle, and then you can insert some icons which I have downloaded. If you don't have the icons, what you can do is simply go to insert icons. This will extract the icons from the internet. You need to have an internet connection for this, and select any icon of your choice. Maybe I will just select this icon and say insert. Reduce the size, and then I can change the background color also of this icon to match our rectangle. Go to format, say graphics fill, and select the same color. And below you add the text there. You can type any text here, or you can replace your own text here. The file is already available in the YouTube. The description download link is available there. Change the font size and the color, and then group the line, the icon and the text. Alright, now it's time to duplicate it. Press Ctrl D. How many bars you want, you can duplicate that many times. So I'm going to have 5. You can make it some up, some down, some small, some big. It depends on your choice how you want to make it. So select these options and go to format and say send to back. So it goes behind the curved line there. And then you can come one by one and change the colors. I'm not going to show you all, but I'm just going to show you 2 only. So this is the second one. Just come and select any color combination of your like. Alright, so for this also you can use the same color. And for here also you can use the same color, or you can leave it blank also, or white also there. Alright, so just I did only 2. The remaining you can change yourself. This will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. And likewise you can come and change the color of the line also. And this icon also you can come and change it. It's time to do some animations now. Go to animations, enable the animation pane, select the first option and say fly in. So fly in from bottom, that is okay, and select this one. I'm going to say wipe, Wipe it should happen from top and make it with previous, and you can delay 0.25 seconds. If you see here, when I click, it comes together. So using the animation painter, I'm going to copy the animations to all other options. So select one by one. First select the rectangle, then the text, the top rectangle, and below text. You have to do one by one. You should not select together, otherwise the sequence may have the problem. So select the third and apply it on fourth, then the third text, apply it on the fourth text, then select fourth, animation painter, apply it on fifth. So this is the last one. So you can see all the animation copied, and then you can change your text, your color. You can just make up and down, do some proper alignments. Align it properly. You can reduce the line size also. So let's see how it looks now. When I click, it will show me the first option, then the second, the third, fourth, and fifth. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.